Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel EV Explorer Zone. In this video, today we will talk about electric vehicle charging infrastructure updates. These updates encompass improvements in charging technology, expansion of charging networks, integration with renewable energy sources, implementation of smart charging solutions, deployment of ultra-fast charging stations, and efforts to enhance accessibility and convenience for EV drivers. The goal of these updates is to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles by addressing range anxiety, enabling long-distance travel, optimizing charging efficiency, and promoting sustainable transportation solutions. 1. Expansion of charging networks. The expansion of EV charging networks involves deploying charging stations in strategic locations to support the growing number of electric vehicles on the road. This expansion encompasses various types of charging stations, including Level 2 AC chargers, DC fast chargers, and ultra-fast chargers. Public charging networks are expanding in urban areas, along highways, and in rural communities to provide EV owners with convenient access to charging infrastructure. Charging network operators are partnering with government agencies, utilities, property owners, and businesses to deploy chargers at key locations, such as shopping centers, restaurants, workplaces, and public parking facilities. 2. Ultra-fast charging. Ultra-fast charging technologies are critical for enabling long-distance travel and reducing charging times for electric vehicles. DC fast chargers capable of delivering high power levels, 150 kilowatts, 350 kilowatts, can recharge an EV battery to 80% capacity in as little as 20 to 30 minutes. Some ultra-fast chargers are even capable of providing hundreds of miles of range in a single charging session, making them essential for improving the convenience and practicality of electric vehicles. To support ultra-fast charging, charging infrastructure operators are investing in high-power charging equipment and upgrading grid infrastructure to accommodate the increased demand. 3. Home charging solutions. Home charging solutions play a fundamental role in EV adoption by providing a convenient and cost-effective way for EV owners to charge their vehicles. Most EV owners prefer to charge at home using Level 2, 240-volt charging stations installed in their garages or driveways. Home charging allows EVs to be fully charged overnight, ensuring that drivers start each day with a full battery. Utilities and government incentives often support the installation of home charging stations by offering rebates, grants, or discounted electricity rates for EV owners. 4. Integration with renewable energy. Integrating EV charging infrastructure with renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, reduces the carbon footprint of electric vehicles and promotes sustainable transportation. Solar-powered charging stations use photovoltaic panels to generate electricity, which can be stored in batteries or fed directly in EVs. Smart charging systems can optimize EV charging based on renewable energy availability, charging vehicles when solar or wind generation is high and electricity demand is low. This approach maximizes the use of clean energy and minimizes reliance on fossil fuels, contributing to overall reductions in greenhouse gas emissions. 5. Urban charging hubs. Urban charging hubs are centralized locations equipped with multiple charging stations to serve residents, commuters, and businesses in densely populated areas. These hubs are designed to provide comprehensive EV charging services, including fast charging, Level 2 charging, and even vehicle-to-grid V2G capabilities. Urban charging hubs often incorporate amenities such as restrooms, cafes, and recreational areas to enhance the charging experience for EV owners. By promoting multimodal transportation and reducing reliance on private vehicles, urban charging hubs play a key role in shaping sustainable urban mobility solutions. 6. Battery swapping. Battery swapping offers an alternative approach to EV charging by replacing depleted batteries with fully charged ones at designated stations. This technology enables rapid replenishment of EVs without waiting for charging, addressing concerns about charging time and range anxiety. Battery swapping is particularly relevant for commercial fleets and high-demand applications, where continuous vehicle operation is essential. By standardizing battery modules and automating the swapping process, battery swapping stations can provide efficient and convenient service to EV owners. 7. Integrated payment systems. Integrated payment systems streamline the EV charging experience by providing seamless payment processing at charging stations. EV owners can use RFID cards, smartphone apps, or vehicle-to-infrastructure communication to initiate charging sessions and automatically process payment. Standardized payment systems across different charging networks enhance user convenience and accessibility, encouraging more drivers to switch to electric vehicles. 8. Investment and funding. Investment and funding play a crucial role in accelerating the development and deployment of EV charging infrastructure. Governments, utilities, and private investors are allocating resources to support charging network expansion, research and development of charging technologies, and incentives for EV adoption. Funding programs provide grants, loans, and tax incentives to incentivize the installation of charging stations and promote the transition to electric mobility. 9. Wireless charging. Wireless charging technology, also known as inductive charging or wireless power transfer, WPT, enables EVs to charge without physical cables or plugs. Wireless charging pads installed in parking spaces or roadways transmit power to a receiver coil in the vehicle, allowing for convenient and automated charging. Wireless charging enhances user experience and eliminates the need for manual plugging, benefiting autonomous and shared mobility applications. 10. Grid integration and smart charging. Grid integration and smart charging technologies optimize EV charging to minimize impacts on the electricity grid and reduce overall energy costs. Smart charging systems use real-time data and predictive analytics to schedule charging sessions during off-peak hours when electricity demand is low and renewable energy generation is high. Vehicle-to-grid V2G technology enables bidirectional energy flow, allowing EVs to serve as grid-connected storage devices and provide ancillary services to support grid stability. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.